Sing a little song in the morning, in the morning. Sing a little song always, ways. Sing a little song when it goes wrong and wipe your tears away. Sing a little song in the morning, in the morning. Sing a little song always, always. Sing a little song when it goes wrong and wipe your tears away. Hello, mommies and daddies, aunties and uncles and everybody. It's another time we teach at home with Miss Lizzie. Yay! And today in our Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie class, we are going to be learning about something really, really very interesting. But before I tell you all the nice things we'll be learning about, who can tell me what we learned in our Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie class last week? Yes? Okay, let me help you. We learned about how to color. How to color. No white spaces. Do not color outside the line. No white spaces. Now parents, aunties and uncles and everybody, did you color nicely with your children at home? Very good. Because you colored nicely with your children and because your children also went up, down and without no white spaces, today we are going to be learning about a nice sound that came to our class. Everybody close your eyes. Open your eyes. Down. Right here in my hand is the picture of the sound that came to our Teach at Home with Mrs. class this week, and the name of the sound is everybody, everybody, everybody. This is again, again, again. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. Hop, 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 hop. Today in our Teach at Home with Mrs. class, we have a nice sound that came to our class, and the name of the sound is everybody, everybody. Today in our Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie class, we are going to be learning about how you can teach a child how to write, and also because we just taught the children how to write by starting with stroke down. So I'm going to start with the sound again. Is a tall letter sound. Is a what? Tall letter sound. Today we'll be learning about the tall letter sound, and also we'll be learning how to write it, because I just taught you how to teach your child how to stroke down. So this sound will be the first sound, so it can be easy to emphasize on how to write. Before I write for you, I'm going to tell you some of the things this sounds like. Right here in my hand is my flashcard. I have the picture of some things that starts with, and these are the friends of. The first picture here is an helicopter. 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 When I say helicopter, what sound did you hear first? Helicopter. Everybody. Helicopter. And also, what picture is this? This is a picture of a horse. Always get a flashcard to show your child when you want to teach a new letter sound, because it will help the child to understand better when you start teaching the beginning sound of sounds. So this is horse. Horse. Again, horse. When I say horse, what sound did you hear first? Horse. Again, horse. And also, I have the picture of my hammer. Say it. Hammer. Again. hammer. Again, hammer. When I say hammer, what sound did you hear first? Hammer. Again, hammer. So I will get the flashcard and ask my child to say the names after me. And after then, I'll ask them to tell me the sounds they can hear first. And with that, I will emphasize on the first letter sound of the particular letter sounds I am teaching to my child. Just like we have here, we have the picture of the things that start with. So that is why I emphasize on the first letter sound of the things that start with. Now parents, aunties, uncles, and everybody, follow me with your eyes as we write ah. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. While writing my ha, I will also follow me with your eyes to the board as I write my ha. Before I write my ha, I will open my mouth and tell my children how to write the ha. I'll tell them to start with their magic pencil, pretend as if they have a pencil in the air. Magic pencils in the air, sharpen it, kiss it, blow it, and we are going to write in the air. I'll open my mouth and say all the nice things, and they will say it after me. Struck down, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. When I struck down to the line, I will not remove my hands. I'll make sure I go up halfway on the same line, and I'll turn down with a little flick. Struck down to the line, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. Follow with your eyes as I show you the how to write trip, trap, trip, trap. Right here on the board is my sound, and I want to write my, and I'll write my like this. I'll first of all go, I'll stroke down to the line, I'll go up halfway, and I'll turn down with a little flick. Can you all see it, everybody? I'll trace on the one on the board first. I'll go stroke down. I will not remove my hand. I'll go up halfway, and I'll turn down with a little flick. Now parents, when they're stroking down, make sure they stroke down to the line. And I'll go again, I'll stroke down. When I stroke down to the line, I'll make sure they don't remove their hand. I'll go up halfway. Up halfway simply means I'll stop at the middle. I'll go turn down, and I'll give it a little flick, and I'll continue. And do you know what I will do? I'll put dotted in the next box. Because they are still small, I'll put dotted for them to write. With that, as they're saying all the nice things after me, they'll get used to writing it well. I'll write stroke down, say it, stroke down, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. I'll tell them to say all the nice things after me again. Stroke down to the line, stroke down to the line, up halfway, I'll stop at the middle, turn down with a little flick. Can you see what I'm doing? Stroke down to the line. I will not remove my hands. I'll go up halfway at the middle. I'll turn down with a little flick. I'll make sure when they stroke down, they don't remove their hands. Watch me again. I'll go stroke down to the line. I will not remove my hands. I'll go up halfway, which is the middle, and I'll turn down with a little flick. Can you all see it, everybody? And look at this one. I did this one. You can also do it like this for your child in their exercise books. With this one, they can learn how to also complete it. With this, they'll get used to writing it. I'll stroke down to the line, and I'll go up halfway, and I'll turn down to the line with a little flick. And I'll go again. I'll stroke down to the line. I'll not remove my hands. I'll go up halfway, and I'll turn down to the line with a little flick, and I'll continue like that. I'll stroke down, and I'll go up halfway, which is the middle, and I'll turn down to the line with a little flick, and I'll write in the last box. I will go stroke down, say it, stroke down, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. Now parents, aunties and uncles and everybody, when they are stroking down, make sure they stroke down to the line. Can you see? And make sure they don't remove their hands. They'll go up halfway, which is the middle. They'll stand down with a little flick. With this, they will have a beautiful handwriting, making sure they are saying all the nice things after you. Can you see? And I'll go again, stroke down to the line. I will not remove my hand. I'll go up halfway. I'll stop at the middle. Halfway means in the middle. And I'll turn down with a little flick. And I'll go again. I'll stroke down to the line. Can you see? I did not stop there. If they stop here, clean it for them. Tell them, encourage them to stroke down to the line. And I'll go up halfway. And I'll turn down with a little flick. And I'll continue like that until I fill up my boxes with, let's write the last one. I'll go stroke down to the line, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. I'll now go to the next one. I'll go stroke down again. I will not remove my hands. I'll go up halfway and I'll turn down with a little flick. I'll make sure they stroke down to the line and I'll go stroke down again to the line. I'll go up halfway, turn down with a little flick. Are you all watching? Good. I'll go stroke down and I'll go up halfway, turn down with a little flick. And I'll continue like this until they finished writing and fill up their worksheet with. I'll make sure they go stroke down to the line, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. Did you enjoy the class with Miss Lizzie? Very good. Now parents, aunties and uncles and everybody, we are going to stop here for today. Today in our Teach at Home with Music class, we learned about the sound what? We learned about how to write the sound. Not only that, we also learned that is a tall letter sound. Always ensure you tell your child to make it tall, and we said all the nice things that goes like this. Stroke down, they will not remove their hands. Up halfway, stop at the middle, turn down with a little flick. Stroke down to the line, up halfway, turn down with a little flick. Stroke down to the line, they will not remove their hands. Up halfway, they'll stop at the middle, turn down with a little flick. And they'll continue like this until they fill up their worksheets with. Did you enjoy the class with Miss Lizzie? Very good. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend whenever it's time for Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie. Not only that, don't forget to practice with your children at home, and also don't forget to take a screenshot and show me how you wrote this letter sound with your child at home. I'll really be glad to see it. See you in my next video, and bye bye.